Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss the topic known as hypersensitivity. So let's start. Hypersensitivity. Okay. So there are some persons who stimulate the immune response against specific antigen are considered as sensitive individual. But when they initiate excessive or pathological immune response, they are considered as hypersensitive individual. So now we will move towards the types. There are four types of hypersensitivity: type 1, type 2, type 3, and type 4 hypersensitivity. Type 1 hypersensitivity is known as immediate hypersensitive reaction. Type 2 hypersensitivity is known as antibody mediated hypersensitivity. Type 3 hypersensitivity is antigen antibody complex mediated hypersensitivity, and type 4 hypersensitivity is delayed type hypersensitivity. The first type is type 1 hypersensitivity, which is also known as immediate hypersensitivity reaction. So it is the immediate type of hypersensitivity that usually occur by the exposure of antigen to IgE antibodies on the surface of mast cells. Now we will discuss its mechanism. When there is first exposure to antigen, or you can say allergen, for example pollens, so in the lungs macrophages try to engulf that allergen and present on the surface with the help of MHC2 molecule. As a result, Th2 cells or CD4 lymphocytes get activated. As a result, they will release some cytokines such as interleukin 4, 5 and 13. These cytokines cause activation of B lymphocytes. As a result, B lymphocytes get differentiated into plasma and memory cells. The most important antibody in this case are IgG and IgM. So in the hypersensitivity individuals, there is mutation in B cells. These B lymphocytes are hyperactive in response to interleukin 4. As a result, there is class switching of antibodies from IgG to IgM and to IgA to IgE. So IgE circulate in our body and then bind with receptor on the surface of mast cells. When there is second exposure to the allergen, so there is cross linkage between allergens and IgE on the surface of mast cells that leads to the initiation of complex mechanism. Specifically, there is activation of various enzymes. Specifically, phospholipase C is responsible for formation of inositol triphosphate and diacylglycerol. Calcium ion release causes degranulation of mast cells. Phospholipase A2. It is responsible for the formation of arachidonic acid metabolites. So different mediators release in two phases. Some mediators release in early phase and some in late phase. So in early phase, due to degranulation of mast cells, there is release of histamine and protease enzymes. Histamine is responsible for vasodilation and increase in vascular permeability. Proteases enzyme is responsible for tissue breakdown. They also responsible for the formation of bradykinins that contribute in alteration in vascular permeability and formation of complement components, specifically C3A, C5A. These products responsible for chemotaxis. So in late phase reaction, there is the formation of AA metabolites such as prostaglandins that cause bronchoconstriction, leukotrienes B4 that contribute in muscular spasm and in chemotaxis. Leukotrienes C4 and D4 are also responsible for bronchoconstriction. So this is all about today's video. Thanks for giving us your precious time. I hope this video will be informative for you. Please like, comment and share this video and subscribe our channel.